Hey guys, so today we're going to learn how to make an origami Yoda finger puppet. So first you need a piece of paper about this big, and then you're going to fold it like this into a book and then make it into a smaller book like this. And now make sure that you got a good crease on each side, and then you need some scissors, not as big as this though, and remember to ask your parents before using scissors. Okay, now that we have cut it into 4 different pieces, you're only going to need one for now. Okay, baby Yoda. Okay. Now, this, you have to fold it a little bit less than the middle, like this. This is going to be his robe. And if you have origami paper instead, please use that instead, but I don't have any origami paper right now. So then once it's like this, you need to fold it in half to the back, like this. And then like that. Okay, now to make the ears, you have to go to one side and this side, and you have to so to make the ears, you have to go to this side, take this and fold it into a triangle like that. This is his one ear. And then to make the other ear, you have to get the other piece of paper. So to make the ear, you have to fold this first piece here. And make sure that it looks like a little paper airplane sort of over here. Fold it, and then here's your one ear. Then you have to go to the back, get this other paper, and fold it just like you did with the other one. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but just make sure that you leave room for your fingers. Okay, and you might need some tape for the back, so I got some tape. And so once you got your tape, you need to tape it to the back like this. And do that, and do that. It's a little messy in the front, but don't worry, yours is probably not going to be like that. And then you got your little Yoda finger puppet. Now we have to color it in. And now that you colored it, it's time to put in the eyes. I'm using a Sharpie pen. And it's good for drawing eyes and stuff like that. It's like a marker. Okay, here's one eye. Here's the other eye. And sorry, my coloring's not too good because of the floor. Now time to draw the pupils. Now I'm going to start to draw the mouth. So, oh no! Okay, his eyes are dead now. Okay, now I'm just going to draw a little face, tongue sticking out. Okay, and here is the finished product of Origami Yoda. You can put him on your finger and do all sorts of things.